For years now, we've been asking the question, is there any way we can make money by doing absolutely nothing? Well, I have both a good news and a bad news. Now let me know which one you would like to hear first. Well, if I'm in your shoe, I would rather choose the bad news first, then use the good news to do what? To cool. There are over 22 solid ways to make money online in a lazy manner. But the bad news is that they don't apply to every country. There are some of them that apply to only United States or United Kingdom. But the good news is that I've actually composed 7 solid and legitimate ways that you can actually make money in a lazy manner, even if you are not in the United States, no matter where you are, no matter your race, and no matter your qualification, you are actually qualified to make a lot of money in a lazy manner. The most amazing part of these things is that these are things that we do on a daily basis without getting paid. In fact, some people go as far as, spending money just to get the best out of this stuff. So in this video, I'll be revealing everything to you without leaving anyone behind. Meanwhile, if you like this video, I'm pleading with you, please, the like button is not far from your fingertip. Just click the like button and this will encourage me more to do more of this kind of videos. This channel is loaded with tons of information and resources, so if you find it useful, I will appreciate if you can just smash the subscription button and stay updated for our next blockbuster. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. First on our list is to start selling picture. Yes, you heard that right. You can start selling picture, and this is one of the easiest and fastest way to make money online, especially if you are handy with camera phone or professional cameras. You can start selling your picture. One way to stand out in the photo marketplace is to get a professional camera or a high quality camera phone. Then you can start taking shots of nature, scenery, events, and etc. You can also take shots of yourself. Maybe you are reacting to something, and you can post that on some stock photo website for sale. Well, you might be wondering which stock photo website is the most high paying. Well, I'm recommending Shutterstock, Getty Image, SmugMug, and iStock. They are very, very good when it comes to paying people, and you can actually get started with them. Just like the old saying which says that the apple does not fall far from the tree. Well, that refers to our next on the list, which is selling footage videos. The first on the list was selling your photos. Now this time around, you can actually sell your videos. Video content is one of the most sought after kind of thing in the world today, by agencies, marketing agencies, businesses, influencers. So just by uploading a footage, a video footage of yourself, you can start making passive income. You can start shooting video content on your phone or professional camera. But please take note, the most important thing you need to take note of is visual quality and subject value. Any interesting and relatable clip can actually be sold. You can video family gathering, events, a kind of get together, people having fun in beach, etc, etc. You can just video anything. You can even video yourself, having fun, having nice time, maybe at a beach or at a kind of picnic. So it's a very nice thing to do, and you are going to make a lot of money out of it. Please note that if you are shooting a video where there are so many people, you need to fill and submit model release form. This model release form is dedicated to each person in that footage, so each of them need to fill the form and get it submitted before it can actually be approved. Now if you are not thinking, oh, I've got a video footage right now and I'm thinking of where I can sell it for a better amount of money, then there's Shutterstock, there's Wirestock, there's Pond5. One thing that's most important for you right now is to ensure that whichever video you are shooting is very entertaining or interactive to the viewer. And speaking about viewer, do you know you can also make a lot of money just by viewing videos online? If you are the type that enjoy making money during your spare time, or you enjoy a bit of entertainment during your spare time, then I recommend this gig for you. Several online platforms will definitely pay you for doing this simple and fun task. Such platforms are Inbox Dollar, MyPoint, and Cashstick. You can actually watch advert videos just to earn some money. Registration is absolutely free. They can also give you some other tasks such as answering some questions, filling out survey, or playing games. Now come, let me tell you a secret. do you know that there are some companies that are willing to pay you each sum of money just by playing games? You might be wondering if playing games can really make you money. My friend, if you love playing video games, then you are just perfectly the person they are looking for. You are qualified. Companies hire people they call beta testers. This kind of people, they are a set of gamers that are meant to play the game, experience all the features, and if there's any issue with the game, they are to inform the company before the company release the game to the public. If you are lucky to be working with video game giants such as PlayStation, Apple, Sony, etc., you might be making as much as $50,000 every year. Now, if you are unable to meet up with PlayStation or Apple or Sony, well, there's another platform we call Playtest Cloud. These people are always looking for game testers, and that might be the perfect job for you. Now, if you are thinking that the procedure of being a professional game tester is too complicated, or you are not the gaming type, then you might really like browsing online, don't you? Well, this might sound too good to be true, but yes, you can actually browse the internet doing your daily routine and still be making some cool cash. QMe is an app that grants you reward just by browsing search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, or even Amazon. It also has a separate section where you can actually be playing games to make money, filling survey to make money, answering questions to make money, and even completing some other field tasks to make money. All you have to do to get started is to download their extension and install it on your browser. Then start browsing, maybe making researches on Bing, Yahoo, or shopping on Amazon. Then you will take note of some link popping up, more like a kind of sponsored link. If you click on any of them, you will be rewarded instantly. Payment is made straight to your PayPal account, and there is no limit to the amount you can get paid. If all the amount you've made is just $1, definitely you will be paid the $1. And if you are thinking about some other ways that you can actually make money while browsing, you can try Inbox Dollar or Swagbox. Well, that's not all, my friend. If you are the type that maybe you don't enjoy sitting around since morning trying to make some money in front of a computer, then you might be the type that enjoy walking around or probably going for early morning exercise, then I've got something for you. Yes, exactly, you heard me right. If you have been walking or jogging or maybe trying to trek from one place to another and you are not getting paid for that, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Now, let me break it down to you. There's an app called Sweatcoin. On this app, you are paid for doing very simple tasks such as taking steps. Then you are given some PayPal credits. This information is then collated and hand over to some medical team that are going to use it for their studies. Another amazing app that's going to pay you just for walking is called Achievement. On this app, you can be paid for swimming, for jogging, for running, and of course for walking. Then the next thing to do is to record your activities on the app, and you are going to be paid based on how many steps you've taken. Each step you take is a certain point. Then when your points accumulate to a particular stage, your points can then be converted into cash. If all that I've been saying since the beginning of this video doesn't really move you, it's not a surprise, you've seen them, then the next one is going to surprise you a lot. Let's be honest here. We all need to sleep at least 6 to 9 hours every day as a human being. And you've heard the phrase, sleep while making money, or make money while sleeping. Now you might be wondering, how do I do that? Is it possible? Now my friend, come closer. Let's take this phrase to another level by getting paid for sleeping. There are millions of people who are finding it hard to sleep all over the world, maybe for one reason or the other. So this sleep trials now is actually organized to help researchers find out why such is happening to people. This particular trial now need real people to do some tests and to participate in the trial, at least for them to find out the root cause of people having sleepless nights. There are so many people that are millionaires, billionaires, and even some people that are just average, and they are finding it hard to sleep. With this trial now, researchers are able to find out the root cause of that, and you are going to get paid for that. Generally, researchers look for a certain people, maybe based on their age or their gender or their weight. then those are the kind of people they might need depending on the kind of researches they are making. My friend, if you are the type that enjoy resting a lot, I recommend this side hustle for you. This list is endless and there are always new ways to make money without going through physical or mental stress. Please note, this is not just for lazy people. Anyone can try it out. And please, do you also know any other way lazy people can make money online? Or is there any other thing that we didn't make mention of in this video? And if there's another thing that is quite controversial in this video, maybe you have your own side of the story, I will appreciate if you can drop that in the comment section below. And if you can't find such, please make sure you share this video, because someone somewhere, whom you know, who also knows someone you know through someone you might have known, we definitely need this video. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well by subscribing to this channel. And meanwhile, if you want to start up a business and you don't have startup capital, nothing to start with, then I recommend this video that just popped up near me now. It's going to take you from the start to the finish of how you can start up a business without capital, or how you can start a side hustle without capital. So make sure you watch the video, you will really enjoy it.